Hey you guys, thanks so much for watching. Welcome to today's video. I'm sharing my Valentine's Day 2021 home decor. So you guys are just gonna come along with me around my house as I decorate. I've got a little DIY decor project to work on, and then at the end I'll give you guys a little overview tour. Let's get started. I keep this blue and white chinoiserie vase on my island most of the time, and I just picked up these new little faux flower stems at IKEA. They're just these little white blossoms. I thought they were so pretty, so I decided to put them in this vase and make an arrangement with some other faux flowers that I had in my stash around my house. This isn't necessarily for Valentine's Day, but it's just kind of a refresh of decor that could definitely go into spring as well, and I am loving the pop of pink with the peonies. I just picked up some ribbon to decorate with at Michael's the other day. I took down my tiny little boxwood wreath that I keep on my breezeway door, and I'm switching out the plaid ribbon that I had for Christmas with some of this bright pink satin ribbon. I also gave my boxwood wreath a little misting because it was looking a little dry and droopy. And then I am just attaching an extra bow with some wire. I then decided to stick a couple of these Dollar Tree heart picks in it. And of course, I've got to do this seasonal change of the curtains. If you watch my channel, you know I always switch out these little cafe curtains in my kitchen. So I put up these black and white polka dot heart ones. Now I'm gonna jump over to a little DIY project. I picked this heart-shaped topiary up at Michael's the other day. I think it was only around $5 or $6. Also, if you guys are Dollar Tree shoppers, I just picked up this little caddy, and it is perfect for storing my glue gun and extra glue sticks in. These are brand new for spring. Just wanted to throw that out there. So I'm taking some pieces of faux boxwood that I just had in my stash, cutting off little pieces of it and gluing it into the heart form to kind of just bulk it up. There already was some faux greenery in there, but I just wanted more, and I wanted the topiary to feel more substantial. And then I took some of this moss, also from the Dollar Tree, which kind of creeps me out. I don't know, I think it just looks really weird. But I hot glued some of that to the bottom of the topiary to just give it a little bit more of an extra touch. And then of course I had to replace the bow that initially came on it. I decided to use my hot pink ribbon. I know it's very difficult to decorate with both red and pink, and it is considered kind of a risky choice to make, but I really like it, and I always try to kind of push the boundaries whenever I can. And then I also decided to paint the little pot white. I did not plan on doing this, otherwise I would have done this the first thing. So I am very gently painting the edges as to not get paint on my moss and plants. And I'm using the good old white Waverly chalk paint from Walmart. I took some of my gilding decorator's tape then and wrapped the perimeter of the pot, again just for an extra little glam touch. And here's just a little preview of how that turned out. I'll show you guys more in detail at the end in the tour. Next up, I am taking down this wreath that I had hanging on the mirror over my island and switching out the ribbon. And then over on my island, I am adding the faux flower arrangement I just put together. I've got this heart-shaped candy dish that I need to go get candy to fill it with, and this beautiful pink vanilla cherry blossom candle that I have been burning for the past couple of weeks. And now we're moving over to my little coffee nook. I was searching for some printable artwork to put over here for Valentine's Day. I could not find anything I really liked, so I decided to make my own, and I'm really happy with how this came out. It's kind of got a vintage feel to it. I actually just opened up an Etsy shop, you guys, and I'm going to add this printable if you are interested in it. I'll list it for only $2 or $3, and the files will come in various sizes for you guys if you want to use it for your own decor. And then I'm just adding a few different decor touches of what aesthetically feels right. Of course, I switch things around a bunch of times until I find something that sticks. overall, I'm really happy with how my Valentine's decor came out. I'm really trying to decorate with pops of pink in more places around my house.